This video right now is going to wrap up our lesson from Friday on 2.2 Intro to Problem Solving. So if we take a look at number 4, it talks about the price of a home was just decreased by 6%. If the decreased price is $83,660, find the original price of the home. Let's talk about those steps that we talked about on Friday. A was to establish your variable. B is to write your equation, C is your work, D is interpret. I want you to pause the video and I want you to think about what the variable will be and what the equation would be. The variable is what we're trying to find, so it says find the original price. So A, and our step A is establishing the variable. I'm going to say X is the original price of the home. What's a little bit trickier is this idea of the equation because it's talking about the decreased price is $83,000. So if you think about this, let's just pick a nice round number of 100. If I decrease this by 10%, it's 90. But if I take 10% of 90, that's 9, and that gives us 99. So the decreased price and the original don't have the same percentage increase or decrease. So what the equation should be, so what that equation looks like is that you're going to have, in order to get the new price, you have to take the original and subtract the discount or the decrease. Well, we don't know the original, that's what we're trying to find, so that's X. The new price is $83,660. And the question comes in, what's the decrease? Well, it was decreased by 6%, but it was 6% of the original. So what we're going to say is it's 0.06 times X, 6% of whatever that original is, and we take that away from the original. So 1x minus 0.06x is 0.94x, which equals 83,660, and we divide by 0.94. Therefore, the original price of the house was $89,000. Now, there are different ways to do this, including proportion, which we will talk about proportions in a different chapter. The other question that we didn't get to was number 6, which is to find 3 consecutive integers whose sum is 378. And we've kind of talked about this setup with consecutive, even, and odds. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to establish our variable. X is our first number. Think about how you get to the second number. And finally, that third number. To get the second number, we just need to add 1. Think of the pattern 9, 10, 11. To each get 1, we add 1 more. Then to get to the third number, we get x plus 2. It says we're going to take the sum of these. So x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equals 378. We're going to show our work, which is 3x plus 3 equals 378. Then we're going to get 3x equals 375, divide by 3, and we get 125. And we got to interpret that, though, because even though we get 125, that's our first number. And the next after that would be 126. And the next one after that would be 127.